Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, we can see that the trend of crude is continuously in upside. But before that I will tell you that now the crude is moving in a particular range. If you look at this range, this is the range. So once if it breaks upside or downside, we can see there can be a fall in the price of crude or there can be a rise in the price of crude. See, we can see this is a strong support at 72.92, which is near to it. Okay, so chances are high that it can move up from this side or it can go below this level. Okay, the next support, strong support, is around 72.83. okay, so now we can see that the price and the crude is continuously in upside. Okay, now in this particular range. So what we can see here, suppose if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how it is. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description. See, look at this pattern. This is the high it has made is around 74.22. okay, and the next high we can see at around 74, and from there we can see that it has 73.94. so this is the high, this is the range of this particular range bound market. Okay, since 21st of June it is moving in this particular range itself. So 74.25 and to a range of 72.27. and see, look at this level. This is a very strong candle, a green big candle is formed. So we can see here is that this support is a very strong support, 71.99. okay, this support is a very strong support, but before that we can see a very strong support at 72.27. okay, so suppose if this level breaks downside 72.89, then we can see that it can touch a level of 72.58, or if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 72.33. okay, once 72.33 is touched, then there is chances it can touch a level of 72.12. okay, or 72.12 is touched, then there is chances it can touch a level of 71.96. okay, 171.96 is touched, then there is chances it can touch a level of 71.78 to a level of 71.65. okay, 71.65, and if it goes below that level, then there is chances it can touch a level of 71.919. okay, suppose if this red candle, there's a green candle form. okay, so chances are high that it can touch a level of 73.17, or if it goes above that level, okay, then there is chances it can touch a level of 73.42, and once 73.42 is touched, then if it stays above that level, then we can see a level of 73.60, and after that we can see a big resistance at 73.88. okay, suppose if this level breaks, but we have seen this level is not tested twice, so there is chances that if it comes to this level and if it cross or if it bounce back from there, then there is chances it can again bounce back from this level 73.70. but suppose if this level crossed upside, then we can see a level of 74.22, and there's a high chances that 74.22 can cross upside, and this is the level which has not come in the 5 years itself. So we can see that if it crosses the level of 74.39, then there is chances it can touch a level of 74.71, and from there it can touch a level of 75.27. once 75.27 is touched, then we can see that this level is tested twice, so chances are very high that if this cross upside, then we can see a level of 76.84 very soon, and there's chances it can break this level also, or it can bounce back from this level. okay, so what I have told you, that a longer we have seen a narrow pattern is forming, which is showing that the chances of crude moving upside is very high. okay, the chances of moving crude on the upside is very high. okay, and what we can see here, that this level, a level of 71.99 is a very strong support. okay, and 72.83 is a very strong support. And overall we can see that there is continuously rise in the price of crude, and the high we can see is that around 75.27. If 75.27 is crossed, then there is high chances that it can make an all-time high, new all-time high. Okay, now the high is 76.80. There is high chances it can break this level and can make a new high. Okay, so I am bullish on this view, and if it goes below a level of, okay, 71.56, then we can see that it can go a little low. But as of now, I think that it can touch a level of 77 also if it stays above a level of 73, okay, above a level of 73.31. But as of now it is trading at around 72.95, but the strong resistance support is coming at around 72.83. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Okay,